3 things to make your house feel more luxurious. Hi, I'm Lexi.
I'm Tabitha.
And we're interior designers here in the Midwest, and this is exactly what we do if we are coming to decorate your home. So number 1, always make sure your artwork is even larger. So
Yes.
if you think that it's large enough for your space, measure again and try to find one even larger, because it will make your space feel so much grander and so much bigger. It is just essential. You need to have large artwork.
And it honestly just gives it this more luxury feel to your home.
Yeah.
Versus all these little small prints. Lots of people like to go with small prints and then they say, my house doesn't look like yours. It's because most designers are going to go in with bigger artwork. They're going to fill up that wall. So if you're doing one piece of artwork or you're doing a collage of artwork, make sure at least you're filling up the space and it's not a lot of free space on your wall when you're wanting to do it. And I also want to say, not every single wall has to have artwork.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Not every single piece of wall or wherever you're at in your living room has to have artwork. It's so important to remember that. Step back, do some, and step back and reevaluate.
Yes. Okay. And number 2, I will always hang my curtains high and wide.
Yes.
The higher the curtains closer to the ceiling and the wider it is, it gives the illusion that your window in your space is so much bigger and larger than it actually is. Your windows do not have to be fully covered by your curtains either. You can just have like a couple inches of your curtain panels touching your windows, and it will make your window look so much bigger and brighter.
So how far down? That's the next question that you're going to ask. And so what I always do is give myself an inch off the ground.
Yes.
You do not want them pulling at the ground. You want them an inch off the ground. And we'll show you some demonstrations here.
Yeah. Okay. And then 3, always have triangle lighting for your accent lighting. So if you have a lamp, make sure there's a lamp in the top corners of your room.
There we go.
Yeah, there we go.
There we go.
Yeah, it's fine. We got it. So I would always make sure that there's a triangle effect of your lighting. It gives it a cozier mood. It has nice warm ambiance, and it just actually lights your space without having to use the dreaded overhead lighting, because I hate overhead lighting.
I do too. I
do
hardly
not
ever
like it.
use it unless we're honestly in there and we're having to, like, I don't know,
work or
whatever.
clean or do something
We
where it's not relaxing.
always have accent lighting on.
Yeah.
And people say this all the time to me. They're like, your house just feels so warm and cozy in the evenings. And I will tell you that I put a lot of my lamps, almost all of them, I will be honest,
Yeah,
is
almost
on
all
a
of them.
timer, because Jason likes them to be on a timer, because at bedtime he likes them to go off. Now there's some that I'd actually leave on all day long, because it just, I don't know, it just gives it an ambiance. I do not like to come in a dark home, but it gives it a warm, elevated feel.
Yes, for sure. So let us know if you guys have any questions you guys would like us to answer, and we'll talk soon.
Bye.